Tonight on Garage Time, we are going to replace the kick panels on our 1979 Westfalia. These are the vinyl covered press board or hardboard kick panels. These ones, we bought them. I think they're overpriced. We're not really happy with them. They're about $150 Canadian for the set. And they get water damaged easily and end up swelling and whatnot. They really absorb water. So we tried something a little different. We have actually protected the back with leak seal. It's a rubberized product. I wouldn't use it to fix a leak in my roof. However, I would protect the back of these. So if water does happen to drip on the back of this, it's going to give it a little bit more protection. Hopefully that's our plan. That's what we're trying to achieve. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed. Okay, so we've moved inside the vehicle. Here you can just see these are the old panels. They're cracked, they're broken, they have holes cut out in wrong places and they moved the speaker down. So that's why we're replacing them. We're putting in new ones, cleaning up the vehicle. Alright, so the old panel is just sitting here. We're going to go ahead and remove it. Even the wiring, when we did a recent video of the radio, so we had cut and removed the old wiring. So this guy is ready for the garbage. So first step, I have a few wires on my tray there, but I'm going to connect my speaker wire behind, and there's quite a bit of extra wire. So because it came pre-crimped with these positive and negative leads, one being large, one being tiny, I'm going to put them on and then zip tie the excess wire. Just tidy up the wire behind. So you push the front end in first. You actually have to bend it. We're getting caught on our luggage tray. Me. Okay. Let me move this chair back. Get more room here. I hate putting these in. Because yeah, that's caught a little bit. So it's not the easiest thing. I'm not a fan of these panels. You're always, well, first of all, they're expensive. The second, they're easily damaged. That's a little low on this side. So now I'm high on that side. Okay, and we're gonna zip tie that up out of the way. So that's what you get. And typically you put one screw in over here to help hold that flat. So that is our new kick panel installed. Here is our port. So there's a plastic cover for this, but this is your air fill port for your windshield wash. So the other side's a little simpler. We don't have that. Okay, so install our new speaker grill and oops, and we're good to go with this side. I actually don't have the cap for that at this time, so that's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, so that's how you install your kick panels on your 1979 Westfalia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.